2. Come on, we gotta hurry. That's really done.
And over here, it looks like a very fierce competition.
Oh no, we gotta look at this. It's a freaking, it's like a PSP.
Mitch at the bottom, leading
Holy crap.
3,842 points versus
Look at that.
Levi, 3,500. Everything's open. We got one more minute to go on my right-hand side. And 1 minute to go as well here on the other side as well.
There it is.
Both players are very experimental. They try out all kinds of things. Joe in the lead, however, with 1,726 points.
This is Madden.
Alright. 7,016 points. The other way around.
So this is like a, it's like a PSP main menu for the PS3. Let's play Madden. Let's play Madden. You gotta film it. You gotta film this, John. You can be on YouTube. Just hold it.
You got Levi in the top, still in the lead.
Hold it like that. Make sure it's back.
1,000 points roughly behind. I can barely count it. And how's it looking over here for these guys? Joe clearly in the lead. Very unfortunate for Tyler, who just jumped in for his younger brother.
We're in the PS3 trailer. We're about to play Madden.
And it looks like the game is over. Joe is going to make the cut right here.
And here we go. We're about to play the Madden NFL.
All right, Joe. How's it looking over here?
We are now playing Madden NFL. You see the controller.
All right, and in heat number 3, Joe very hopeful with 2,726. Unfortunately beat by Levi on the other side with 10,255 points. Levi, that means you're gonna be in the final round.
Yeah, we're playing.
And this time, the final heat. I'm calling out Philip Roth. Is Philip Roth around? All right, Phillip, come on over here. John Eno. John. Eric. Where is Eric? And finally, another Levi. Another Levi.
Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, we got. Are you feeling? Yes, no, maybe. I'd like to ask everybody to press X right now, and the competition is starting. The final and 4th heat.
Go.
ATV4.
He throws it and he catches it across the 10-yard line.
John on the left-hand side, Eric and Levi on the other side. Ready, set, yeah, Ross. Yeah, he's running and he gets across 30-yard line. On the other hand, on the bottom. Miscommunication, Levi on the bottom, Levi unfortunately way behind. Eric in the lead, 15,331 points. Oh, in the final lap, closely followed by Jason here in position number 2. Eric's now on top, also in position number 2, however, ahead of Joe. He's trying to do his best here to win, of course. Alright, plenty of pictures are being taken for family and friends here. Oh boy, looks good for Eric right here in the final lap. Going ahead, let's see, Sheridan over here, who's on top, hitting the finish line. What's it gonna be? Oh, he completed the race ahead of Jason.